Tuo Raudikko.
I think this is Raudikkokuja 6, they can say. ValmetSchlieren in Swedish. Today is the 2nd of July 2021. We have been at ticket B already before. Capacity is 6 persons over 8 grams. It was impossible to get inside this one, but we did it. My force here. Also, this is 1976 actually. ValmetSchlieren turned 45 years old this year, 2021 with memory and fast. Amazing. So the second B is from late 1975.
Yeah.
The serial number is VS4375 and then also be expected this year 2021. Great that we're gonna sign because different years here.
Yeah.
But in Hakunila Håkanspel here in Vantaa and Helsinki's force Finland, Finland we still have 2 very important elevators to get into, but they're absolutely impossible. It's a disgrace. It's 1984-85 ones, but maybe in August.
Yeah.
Because we know they're going to get badly modernized.
Yeah.
So I have to go there again.
Yeah.
Maybe in a month. But I will do it. Because somebody has to have it filmed.
Yeah.
Let's take a second silent ride.
Spektiippaa kiva esittää, että me ei temppaa pääkaupunkiseudun keskustelua.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And please also watch this.
That's